Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Quick Platinum Hit Mode on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. So let's get started. First, open the Quick Hit Casino Slots game. On your home screen, you can locate the Quick Platinum Hit Mode option at the very first. Tap on it. Now that you are in the Quick Platinum Hit mode, you will see a spin button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on this button to start spinning the reels. Each spin gives you a chance to win fantastic rewards. Keep spinning and enjoy the thrill of the game. And this is how you can play Quick Platinum Hit mode on Quick Hit Casino Slots game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.